Hi everyone, Trent from Boxo, and today we're going to go through our fully loaded 5-drawer combo toolbox. This box is going to come in either white, black, or Nardo gray. For the sockets, we're going to have deep and shallow, metric and standard, all the way from 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. Our metric sockets in the 1/4 and 3/8 range are going to go from 4 to 24 millimeters, and then for the standard range in the 1/4 to 3/8, it's going to go from 5/32 all the way through 7/8. We're also going to see a variety of ratchets from our 1/4 and 3/8 drives, which are both 90 tooth, various extensions, T-handles, swivels, and also spark plug sockets. So as we go down to the next drawer, there's going to be your long reach, your stubby, Phillips, and flathead screwdrivers, as well as your water pump pliers, metric and standard Allen keys. Working all the way down, we do have our wrenches. Our wrenches in this drawer are going to follow just like the top with our metric and standard. The standard's going to have your 5/16 all the way through your 7/8, and then the metric is going to be your 8 millimeter all the way up to 22. And then last but definitely not least is the various dikes, long reach, and combination pliers. Now let's get into some of those bigger 1/2 inch sockets. This is going to be just like the whole theme of this, metric and standard, deep and shallow. So for our 1/2 inch drive sockets, we're going to have the standard ranges going from 3/8 to 1.25 inch. And then for the metric, it's going to be 8 millimeters all the way up to 32. As well, our deep ones to match. Lastly, in my personal favorite drawer is going to be our utility set. This right here is going to have kind of everything that may be missing from making this more of a well-rounded toolbox. In that, there's going to be a dead blow, a ball peen hammer, some electrical snips and crimps, various punches, straight edge, file, locking plier, as well as a tape measure. So all together, this is going to be the 5-drawer combination toolbox, fully loaded, metric and standard, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, with everything that you'll be able to need. And most importantly, it's easy to pick up. We do have a combination lock right here that could be used with a key or set the code just in case you lose that key. And then some nice latches to be able to keep the lid up and everything stable. All these tools are going to be backed by our lifetime warranty as well as the box. If anything ever goes wrong, take a picture, email us, and then we'll send you out the replacement. So go online, BoxoUSA.com, and check it out.